Today's lesson concerns browsers and what you might do if you've accidentally closed a browser tab. Let's go ahead and open up Chrome. Let's open up a few tabs. And let's open up once more. Alright, so now we've opened up several tabs. Now let's say we're doing some research. Let's just go into, let's see what's going on in Wikipedia today. I'm just going to click here. And then I'm going to click here. What we're doing is going to different articles on the same website within Wikipedia. I'm just clicking through and choosing randomly some different articles. Okay, so, and let's see, I'm going to watch this on YouTube. Okay, might go to Wall Street Journal, take a look here, go to our website, take a look here, go to the Houston Chronicle, look at some articles here. Let me go over here, House of Habsburg, go to this article, and let's say, oh, I have too many tabs open, so I'm going to close this one here. I'm just going to click on the X up here, close the tab, and let's look at another Wikipedia article. And now all of a sudden I remember, oh, I wanted to read that article or whatever. I don't even know what I closed, but I just closed something. Now let's say I accidentally closed that browser tab and that I really wanted to see it. So I'm going to use the keyboard shortcut Control, Shift, and T. I'm going to hold down all three keys together, Control, Shift, and T, and look, brings it right back exactly where I was before. Let's go back to the Wikipedia article. I'm going to close this Wikipedia article, and oops, I meant to keep that open. I did not mean to close that Wikipedia article, that browser page. Control, Shift, T, the letter T, and it brings it right back. And what's amazing is it also brings back all of the other websites that I visited within that tab. So you've got that keyboard shortcut of Control, Shift, and T. Again, that's hold down the Control key, the Shift key, and the letter T key, and it will bring back a recently closed tab. You could also go up to Customize and control the three vertical dots, click on that, and go to your history. And this will also show recently closed. Let's go ahead and illustrate that. Click on the X, go here to the recent history, and they're recently closed. And again, it's going to show that same web page, and there it gives you the keyboard shortcut Control plus Shift plus the letter T, and that brings it all back and brings back the history. Very simple. If you accidentally close something, it really is a time saver. And now let's just go ahead and close all of these. I need one tab open so it doesn't close the whole thing. Again, holding down Control, Shift, and punching T, 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 and it brings it back. Again, you could also use the history and bring it back that way as well. So the Control, Shift, T keyboard shortcut works in all three of the major browsers, Chrome, Edge, and Firefox. Let's go ahead and minimize this. Here we are. So you can restore recently closed browser tabs. The keyboard shortcut is Control, Shift, and T. Holding them all down at the same time, it'll show and pop up your recently closed browser tabs. Every time you press those keys, you can hold down the Control key, the Shift key, and then just tap the T key. Every time you tap that T key, it'll bring back an older closed tab. Works in Chrome, Firefox, and Edge browser. These tips and more I teach at Octavia Fields Branch Library of the Harris County Public Library System. Thank you for listening.